How to create a group on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new group. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this pencil-like icon. Simply tap on it. Here on the second, there's an icon called New Group. Simply tap on New Group. So this is the place where you can add other people or the contacts that you want to add in a new group. So here, select the people that you want to add. I'm tapping on one, and here on the right top, tap on next. So this is the section where you can enter the group name. So enter the group name that you like, and at last tap on this tick button and you're all set to go. So a new group has been created. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.